Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to look at queuing problems. Here's a question from Kangaroo 2025. Pause the video and see if you can solve it. Okay, now let's take a look at the questions. There are 12 students in a line. Counting from the left, Warren is fifth in the line. Counting from the right, Victor is fourth in the line. How many students are between Warren and Victor? So many students are here. We got to find out who is Warren, who is Victor. So let's look at the clues here. Counting from the left, Warren is fifth. So we got to find out where is left and where is right. So here is left, which means the other side will be right. Okay, so let's start to count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, which means these persons over here is Warren. Okay, put a mark on him, then let's continue. Counting from the right, Victor is fourth in the line. So start from the right, we count one, first, second, third, fourth. So these persons over here is Victor. Okay, then what's the questions asking about? How many students are between Warren and Victor? So how many students between them? Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3 students. All right. Okay, let's take a look at a questions from SASMO 2025. Again, give it a try. Okay, a group of students is lining up in a queue to enter the school assembly. Mia was in the middle of the queue. Then 4 students joined the queue, making Mia the 9th student from the back. What position is Mia from the front of the queue now? Seems complicated, but let's tidy up the informations. So they ask us Mia was which position from the front. So let's take a look. This is the front and the back is over here. So this is the front of the queue. Then they say first, Mia was in the middle of the queue. What does middle mean? Middle means that they have same number in front and behind. Okay, let's assume Mia is over here, which means in front of Mia and at the back of Mia, they have the same number of students queuing in front and behind her. But we don't know how many. Okay, let's leave it blank first. Then let's take a look at the second clue. Says that then 4 students join the queue. 4 students join the queue. What can we do? We can actually use the circle to represent the students. So we can draw 4 circles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 students here, but we still don't know how many students in behind Mia and in front of Mia. But look at the next one. It says that after the joining queue, Mia now become the 9th student from the back. So start from the back, you count onwards. She is the 9th. But let's look at it, okay? First, second, third, fourth, then until Mia is at the 9th. So how many students should we put in between here? Okay, let's take a look. we have 4th here, which means the next would be 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, then 9th. Okay, so as we can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 students is at the back of Mia. Okay, so if there must be a same number, which means in front of Mia, it must be a same number as well. Okay, let's put in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from here we can see there's so many students in the line, but what does the question asking about? Okay, what position is Mia from the front of the queue now? So we got to start to count from the front here. All right, let's start counting. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So counting from the front, Mia is 5th in the line. Okay. Now let's look at our questions here, which came out from 2022 SASMO competitions. Again, pause the video and give it a try. Okay, at a library, Amina and Brenda are standing in a queue to borrow a book. And Amina is 6 from the front and Brenda is 7 from the back. There are 4 people between Amina and Brenda. The total number of people is less than 10. How many people are standing in the queue? All right, we got to find out that how many people are in the queue. So again, this is the front of the queue and this is the back of the queue. Let's look at the clues here. Amina is 6 from the front, so we can draw 6 circles to represent them. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, then 6, which is Amina is here. Okay, so there are 6 persons over here. Okay, then Brenda is 7 from the back. So let's start from the back. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So Brenda is over here. So including Brenda, there are 7 students. Then the next line, they say there are 4 people between Amina and Brenda. So we can put in 4 circles in between them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then let's look at the questions. They ask how many people are standing in the queue. Okay, so we already have 6 here, plus the 4 in between. Then plus the 7 at the back. So we are going to find out. We have 6 plus 4 equals to 10. Then 10 plus 7 equals to 17. So the answer is 17 people. I wonder, does anyone figure out there is something wrong with the answer? Yes? The question was saying that the total number of the people in the queue was less than 10. But here's already 17 people. What's going on? It means something wrong with us solving the questions. Okay, let's try again. Okay, since they say the people must be less than 10, then let's see the clues again. First, we have the front and the back of the queue. Then look at this one. Amina is 6 from the front. Okay, still first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So Amina is over here. Then they say Brenda is 7 from the back. 7 from the back. Since Brenda cannot be at the back of Amina, which means Brenda gotta be in front of Amina. But where is she? We don't know, right? She is somewhere in between here to here. We still don't know yet, so we leave it first. Then let's take a look at the next clue. It says that there are 4 people between Amina and Brenda. There's 4 people in between them. So since Brenda must be somewhere around here, then Amina is here. 4 people must be in between them. Then let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 people, which means Brenda is over here, right? Okay, since Brenda is over here, then look back at these clues here. Brenda is 7 from the back. So Brenda is 7 from the back, which means starting from here, count. So she must be 7. If she must be 7, then we don't know how many person here, we can count backwards. For example, 7, 6, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, then 1st, which means we gotta have another circle over here. Okay, is the people less than 10 now? Yes, it is. There are 7 of it. So, to answer the questions, how many people are standing in the queue? The answer is 7 people. Alright, so that's it for our videos today. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.